Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 6, today I am going to discuss about all the important MCQ questions on chapter 4. Chapter 4 consists of 5 lessons, lesson 1 to lesson 5. So I want to discuss about all the MCQ questions of lesson 1 to lesson 5. At first I want to discuss about some MCQ on lesson 1. The first question of lesson 1 is, what is the source of all forces on earth? Answer is solar power. How many elements of weather are there? Answer is 9. How many years average of weather is considered as climate? 25 to 30. Which is slowly changing? Answer is climate is slowly changing. Question 5. Weather and climate vary because option 1 of availability of solar radiation, because of the rise and fall of atmospheric pressure, because of solar energy. Which one is correct? The correct answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Both these 3 options. Now question 6. Because of greenhouse effect, global temperature is rising, atmospheric temperature is rising, ocean water is warming. The correct answer is all these 3. Question 7. The characteristics of weather influence the qualities of soil, is changing on a daily basis, is influenced by the monsoonal current of wind. The correct answer is 2 and 3. Read the following passage below and answer the question 8 and 9. As Jaber Ali is a resident of coastal area, there is a risk of getting attacked by cyclone high tide. For this reason, he takes cautious steps, listening to weather forecast in television or radio. The reason of occurring cyclone at the area of Jaber Ali is, the answer is 1, 2 and 3. Falling of atmospheric pressure, the rising of atmospheric pressure, the rising of wind speed. Now question 9. What measure will Jaber Ali take to stay safe from danger of disease? The answer is hear weather forecast. Hearing weather forecast is the only way to save from danger of disaster. Now question MCQ chapter 4 lesson 2. Importance of weather and climate in agriculture. First question of this lesson 2. In which country do costly vegetables fruit grow in greenhouse? Answer is cold countries. Whose influence is very significant in crop cultivation? Answer is climate. Which is winter crop? Oilseed. Why the emission of greenhouse gas increasing for industrial revolution? What is the reason of hampering of ecological balance of natural environment? Answer is climate change. Since when the global temperature has increasing due to greenhouse effect? Since 19th century. Question 7. Which gas makes the atmosphere warm? Answer is carbon dioxide. Question 8. The reason of falling agricultural production at risk is 2 and 3. Answer is 2 and 3. Question 9. For the influence of monsoon on climate in this country, fish production is decreased, fish production is increased, fish reproduction is increased. The correct answer is 2 and 3. Now MCQ chapter 4, lesson 3, weather and climate of Bangladesh. In which division is the lowest rainfall in Bangladesh occur? Answer is Rajshahi. In which month is there less vapor? Less vapor is in Poush and Magh. In which direction does the temperature falls in the month of Poush and Magh in this country? From south to north direction. Answer 4. Which is the annual average rainfall in Bangladesh? It is 1100 to 4500. When does the highest temperature prevail in Bangladesh? Highest temperature prevail in Bangladesh is Boishakh and Jyeshtha. What is the average comparative relative humidity of the air in the winter? It is 73 to 84%. It does not rain all the year round. It rains heavily in some regions. Again, there are less rainfall during some seasons. When does about 90% of rainfall occur in a year? April to August. In summer season of Bangladesh, does it rain less? In which season? In which seasons of Bangladesh does it rain less? Answer is winter. Winter season. In winter season, we see less rain. Question 9. The regions of more rainfall in summer are enough vapor, much humidity in air, monsoonal wind from the south to west direction. Which one of the following is correct? 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. The characteristics of climate of Bangladesh are moderate rainfall, long winter, wet summer. Which one is correct? The correct is 1 and 3. That means moderate rainfall and wet summer. Now MCQ question on lesson 4. How many agroecological zones are there in Bangladesh? 30. How many agroecological zones is the alluvial soil area formed with? 17. Into how many larger areas can agroecological zones be classified? 5. Which is formed with the agroecological zones? 12, 11, 12, 14. Answer is Chor land area. Dash is formed with agroecological zone. Answer is Borendro area. Option is Borendro area. Second option is basin area, and third option is Madhupur area. Which of the following is correct? Borendro area and Madhupur area. Observe the following observe the figure below and answer the questions 6 and 7. Question 6. There are the names of agroecological zones A, B, C, D that are indicated in the figure. Answer is, what are the names of agroecological zones? This area is under Borendra and Madhupur area. So the name of the ecological zone is Borendra and Madhupur area. Which division is the agroecological area E in the figure included? Division of agroecological E is Chittagong. Now MCQ on lesson 5. How many kinds of flood are seen in Bangladesh? There are 4 kinds of floods are seen in Bangladesh. What percentage of crop yield may decrease due to drought? Answer is 15 to 19. Yield, how percentage of crop yield loss may crop yield may decrease due to drought? The answer is 15 to 19. Question 3. It can be called drought if rainfall does not occur for how many days continuously? Answer is 20 days. Question 4. The low-lying areas of country that are submerged due to heavy downpour are? Answer is 1. Northern areas, and 2. Western areas, and 3. Mid areas. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. The most drought prone areas in Bangladesh are Rajshahi, Sylhet, Dinajpur. Answer is Rajshahi and Dinajpur. Read the passage below and answer the question 6 and 7. Flood occurred due to heavy downpour in Sabbis area. For this, their crops were damaged severely. Question 6. Sabbir's home is in the northern areas of the country, western areas of the country. Answer is 1 and 2, northern and western areas. So 1 and 2. Question 7. What kind of flood occurred in Sabbir's area? Question answer is flood caused by rain. So this is our today's class. Thanks for watching this video.